This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Town Realty property video is presented by Stacie Powell. Charming Craftsman-style home located at end of the street with no through traffic. Enjoy view of Elizabeth River while sitting on the roomy front porch. Recent improvements include newer roof, replacement windows, gas furnace, and hot water heater. Lovely backyard with screened porch and deck. Spacious workshop too. Central location, just minutes from Old Towne, Portsmouth Naval Hospital, and Norfolk Naval Shipyard. You will love the quaint community of West Park View. For more information, review the details below.